remember to follow me on Instagram at sabishay_tt. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay. Before we begin the lesson, let's start with terms related to this topic.
Goods are items that you buy and use, such as foods, clothing, televisions, and vehicles. Services. These are tasks or activities performed for you by persons or organizations such as physicians, hairdressers, or education personnel. Consumer credit. This is credit used by consumers for personal needs rather than for business purposes.
Who is a consumer? A consumer is anyone who uses economic goods and services for the satisfaction of wants.
Even infants and children, though they may not have any money of their own, are consumers. Television advertisements intentionally directed at children force parents to buy products requested by their children. Thus, even the smallest child is a consumer.
Consumerism is a movement that promotes the interests of buyers of goods and services.
It is therefore the drive for consumer protection in the following ways. 1. It works to protect consumers from unsafe or low-quality products, fraudulent advertising, labeling or packaging, and business practices that limit competition. 2. It focuses on providing timely, sufficient, and meaningful information about products in order to enable consumers to make informed decisions while purchasing goods and services. And 3. It tries to inform consumers of effective means of obtaining redress for damage or injury caused by defective products.
Are guarantees and warranties the same, or are they different? What are they?
Guarantees and warranties are basically the same. They are assurances by sellers of goods that goods are as promised and that certain steps will be taken to correct or redress problems. Even where implied warranties are involved, they guarantee the soundness of a product. The company promises that it will service or repair the item for a stated period of time. It is important always to obtain the guarantee or warranty in writing. This is called an express warranty. Here are some questions to ask concerning the warranty of any product that is purchased. Is the warranty a complete one, or does it have limitations? If there are limitations, what are they? How will they affect me? For what time period is the warranty? Is that sufficient based on the cost of the item? Is it a full warranty or a limited warranty? Is the product defective? Will it be repaired or replaced? Or will a refund be provided? When will you have to pay a service charge, and how much? Who is making the warranty? The manufacturer or the retailer? Whom should you call in the event if necessary? Remember that all warranties or guarantees are different. When doing comparison shopping for a product, make inquiries and read the warranty carefully.
Factors such as goals and values, advertising, peer pressure affects consumers' needs and wants.
Wants are goods and services that consumers desire. A need is something that is necessary. We cannot do without it. Goals and values. Each person has personal values, what he or she feels is most important. These goals and values give rise to our needs and wants. Income. The income available for spending is a limited resource. The more money people have, the more goods and services they can purchase. But different people would use their money in different ways to satisfy their needs based on the goals they have set. These goals are a reflection of their personal values Income determines how many of these wants and needs can be satisfied. Lifestyle. This is the way of life of a people. A healthy lifestyle can cause people to make healthy choices when shopping. A person with a lavish lifestyle will want the flashiest of goods. These may not be needed but are associated with the type of lifestyle. A person with a simple lifestyle will be satisfied with just the basic items for a decent standard of living. Advertising. Advertising can be very influential as it is all around. Radio, television, internet. The aim is to convince you to buy, so some advertisements exaggerate, some are truthful and factual, but some also misrepresent and make you feel the need to try and buy. Peer pressure. The urge to be in style or in fashion and to be like others can influence consumer wants and needs. Advertisers use personalities to sell these products. Consumers must know that since needs and wants are normally greater than income, planning can help you meet the most important and greatest of your needs and wants at the same time within your income.
There are 8 consumer rights that are recognized internationally, and for 8 of these rights carries corresponding responsibilities.
The right to truthful and honest information about the goods and services which are purchased. The right to choose, to be able to select from a range of products and services offered at competitive prices with an assurance of satisfactory quality. The right to safety, in goods and services bought, the right to expect that household products and children's toys, when used according to the manufacturer's instructions, will not explode, set houses on fire, or cause personal harm or injury in any way. The right to be heard, to complain to a retailer if one is dissatisfied about a product or service. The right to the satisfaction of basic needs, to have access to basic, essential goods and services, adequate food, clothing, shelter, healthcare, and education. The right to redress means the right to a fair settlement of just claims. It includes the right to receive compensation for misrepresentation of shoddy goods or unsatisfactory services. The right to consumer education means the right to acquire the knowledge and skills to be informed and assertive consumer. The right to a healthy environment means the right to a physical environment that will enhance the quality of life. It includes protection against environmental dangers over which the individual has no control. The responsibility to protect oneself, whether it be by shopping carefully and wisely, understanding the terms of the sale, reading and following instructions. The responsibility of carrying out transactions in a business-like manner, such as reporting unsatisfactory products to retailers and manufacturers in order that they may be removed from shelves and future production. The responsibility to tell customers about any unfair treatment by a retailer or manufacturer so consumers could protect themselves in future dealings. The responsibility to report apparently unsafe merchandise to consumer protection bodies so that they could be tested and, if necessary, be removed from the market or be more specifically labeled. The responsibility to maintain and preserve a healthy environment for future generations. And the last one, the responsibility of demanding the best value for money.
Thank you very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. But do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.